Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix call waiting not working on iPhone X, XS, XS Max, iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. Solution 1. Go to setting, scroll down, tap phones and tap call waiting. Turn off the call waiting. After turning off the call waiting, we have to force restart our iOS device by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears, or depend on your iPhone model. Or you have to use this method to restart your iPhone. Tap again restart to confirm your action. After restart, same we have to go to setting, scroll down, tap phone, tap call waiting and turn on the call waiting option. If the problem still exists, then we have to go to solution number 2. The solution number 2 is we have to go to setting and then go to general, scroll down, tap reset all setting, put your passcode, tap again reset all setting to confirm your action. That's it. Please like and share if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.